Hong Kong taught me one thing. Transportation doesn't have to be stressful. If you haven't followed me yet, you may click follow or subscribe para tuloy-tuloy ang kwentuhan natin. From trains, buses, and even escalators that actually help people move faster, everything feels connected. Parang bawat minuto may sistema. As someone coming from the Philippines, mapapaisip ka talaga. Ganito pala kapag priority ang commuters. The MTR stations were easy to follow, the buses arrived on time, and even with millions of people moving every day, everything still felt organized. One thing that really amazed me, ang babaw man pakinggan pero yung paghinto ng train nila, sobrang sakto sa tamang babaan. Hindi ka huhula kung nasa tamang pwesto ka ba pagbaba, precise talaga. And the timing, accurate. Kapag sinabing darating in 2 minutes, darating talaga in 2 minutes. Same with the buses. They even have applications and websites where you can track exactly where the bus is and when it will arrive. Imagine that level of convenience for daily commuters. And honestly, one of the best parts of traveling here was realizing that you can explore so much of the city without needing a car. One tap of an octopus card and you can go almost anywhere. Yung octopus card nila ay parang beep card sa atin. Except sa kanila, pwede mo gamitin halos kahit saan. Transportation, convenience store, or even small retail shops. Simple, fast, convenient. Hindi ka matatakot maligaw kasi ang ganda ng flow ng transportation nila. Kahit first time mo, eventually, maintindihan mo rin. And while riding through the city, mapapa-observe ka rin talaga how efficient transportation changes people's daily lives. Less stress, less wasted time, more freedom to move. This trip wasn't just about the tourist spots. It also made me appreciate how powerful a good transportation system can be. Hong Kong may be fast-paced, but because of their transport system, moving around never felt heavy. Follow me for more videos like this.